And I am. There we go. Alrighty, peeps. Oh, looks kind of zoomed in. But anyways, alrighty, peeps. So, today's Sunday. I have just finished doing my analysis for the upcoming week, and I will now show you guys and share some ideas with you as to what to look out for next week. I actually do see a lot of opportunities again for next week, and a lot of good setups to profit to maximize profits from. Hopefully, they do play out the way we want to, and most likely, I will only enter them if they go along the biases that I have right now. If they switch biases, I may have to leave it. But let's go and find out what we got going on. So, let me just go over there. Oh, whoopsie. There we are. All right. Sorry if my eyes look really tired. I do apologize. And maybe if I'm speaking very slowly and quietly. Past couple of days, because of Eid, days have been hectic. I've got like hardly any sleep, and yeah, even right now I felt like having a nap, but I thought let me get the work done out of the way, maybe go out, do something energetic, keep me up, because I feel like if I have a nap right now, when I go to bed, my sleeping pattern is going to be messed up a little bit, so I don't want any of that. So I'm gonna push through it and find out what I want later tonight. But anyway, stop running. All right, cool. Aussie dollar, US dollar. Interesting, right? So now we know that it's actually broken the lower high of the previous downtrend structure. On daily, it's been making uptrend structure, following this uptrend line in a sense, I guess. Now we've got a couple opportunities. This point over here is a point where price has found resistance at its highest level so far, right? Price has struggled to close above it properly. This level over here is what was previously the lower high level. And we've not really had a retest of that officially. Price did come low to about over there, which is, about 20-ish pips, 20 to 30 pips shy of the level, but it's not actually come down to test the level. That is something that I want. I think that'd be interesting to see. So potentially price could come down to over there and then reverse and continue its uptrend structure. That's one possibility. Or it can just simply go back above this resistance, break above it, maybe retest, and we'll take a long. One thing is though, because price is making such a strong bullish move, it could make a bit of a retracement as well. Now, considering the evening star formation that we've had over here, price could come lower. Now, what I will do is look into the smaller time frames during the week. Start of the week, basically, and see if it was to break below this key level over here, which I managed to get by going to the line chart and just seeing where majority of these turning points are formed, which is kind of like the line of best fit in a sense for these points. It's not necessarily a trend line, but it shows where prices bounced away from and rejected. So I've done that, and it came to around over here, which is practically the support where price is resting right now. So if it was to break below this, it will also be it will also be breaking below the trend line, and that's two confluences alongside the current evening star daily confirmation to enter for a short. And I will only take a short up to around this level most likely, but if it did happen to break below this, then yeah, I'll look for another position. Still, I don't know. So this is the only pay that I'll probably take a short-term short on it, basically enter a short position, and I'll buy it basically for the long term. That is my current outlook on that. EURUSD, I'll be real, I feel like it's a no man's land for me. It's a very strong bullish move up, but the way I trade, I'm not seeing too much going on over here. It's just making a bullish run, which is nice, but I don't see anywhere to enter from the way I trade. USD CAD though, interesting. So we know that it's been in a uptrend on weekly, and when you go into the and it's just made a retracement as well. When you go into the daily, on that slurring my words. When you go into the daily, we can see that on that retracement, it's actually made a double bottom at this level of support, right? And it's made a bullish engulfing, suggesting a reversal off of it, which is very interesting. I was already in a long position on this. It got taken out due to the trailing stop loss. So still profited, but it got taken out sooner than I expected it to. So I will be looking for another entry into this and continue higher. The most highest probability scenario in this case would be a break above this key level over here, which would also mean a break above this trend line, counter trend line actually. That would be most high probability. However, if you want a bit of a riskier entry to maximize the profits, this monthly key level over here, that's a good bet too. Prices tried coming lower, right? A few stabs, but nothing actually closed below this monthly key level. So it could, if price was to start open, if the market was to open around this level, by all means, use your judgment and take longs. Next, GBP/AUD, interesting. So this was in an uptrend. It's made a retracement, and now it's reversed, and it's suggesting that it's wanted to move back up. Reasons are on daily. We can see it was making this downtrend structure in recent times, and the most recent swing, it's actually broken the lower high to form a higher high. I'm expecting to come back just to retest this lower high level once again, which would be nice, and then push up. That would be a very good entry. If not, if price did intend to continue just pushing upwards as it is, then a break of this resistance, a retest, I would like to enter for a long there. Sweet and simple. GBP Chef, it's in a downtrend on weekly, but on daily in recent times, you can see it's ranging along this level, right? Even within this like big range, there's like smaller ranges, like over here, especially what we have right now. So price seems to have broken above this level of resistance over here. I'll see how it reacts I'll see how it reacts to the support level on a retest. If it's suggesting it wants to push up, I will take a long up to this level over here, which would be the top of this resistance basically. GBP/USD. I think this again was more similar to the Euro USD one. Price has made a strong bullish move up. The real structure of this pair, I really can't gather what's actually going on. It's choppy even on weekly and daily. The structure just seems choppy to me. I mean, most recently, it's making like higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But that's only till April. If you look into like the bigger picture, it's just all kinds of madnesses, which my brain does not support right now. So I'm gonna leave it, and hopefully we can allow price to play out and look for other opportunities as the week goes on. Euro JPY, interesting. This was previously in a downtrend, much clearer to see on weekly. Then it invalidated the downtrend by breaking above the lower high, made an uptrend, a little bit of retracement for the uptrend swing, and right now it's broken above the higher high, which means it's continuing the uptrend. I really want it to just come down to this level of support over here, which is former resistance, quite nice resistance, just for a retest, just so I can take it higher. If not, then hopefully the momentum will be strong enough where if it was to break this monthly key level, and upon a retest, I will take it higher from there. Sweet and simple for this one. GJ is interesting. So on weekly, it's in a downtrend, right? Even on daily, you can see some downtrend characteristics in this. Um, and on the retracement for this downwards swing move, it came installed at this fib level and monthly key level over there, and right now it's made a double top like formation at this monthly key level over there, suggesting that it may be struggling to push above this and wants to come lower. I will see how that happens. One thing that will help is this is currently a third touch of the trend line, but it's not been confirmed as a break of the trend line. That will depend on the next coming candles. So if it suggests that price wants to move back below this trend line, then I will short it probably to about over here, because this again is in a bit of a range like state as well. Um, so yeah, that is the plan. UJ, interesting. This was like a long-term support level, and it came down, tried to pierce through, did not work out, and has made a very strong bullish engulfing over there. For this one, it's simple. I don't see any other structure. I'm just basing it just off of levels. Um, so the other thing is this is a strong resistance over here, which is a form of level of support. So if price was to break above it, come back to retest, I will take it long. Simple as. Yeah, sweet and simple. Euro GBP. I feel like I'm saying sweet and simple too much right now. I never even say that. Why am I saying that right now? Euro GBP. We have got obviously the price in a massive range box. I say that every single week because it's not necessarily broken out of it just yet. There is this trend line over here which seems to be maybe getting broken on the third touch. This level of support though did get broken. Now, if price was to go back and retest both of these and show rejection, I will take a short. If not, I will wait for it to come below this level over here and take a short. Reason for that is I feel like judging by recent price action from around over here, price is making like higher low, higher high structure. However, it came over here and failed to do so, right? You could kind of say it made like an equal highs or, like a lower high basically. Now, if price is to break below this, it will invalidate the higher low and basically be making a lower low. I think that's correct. Yep. It will invalidate the higher low, be making a lower low, and which suggests that price wants to move lower because the uptrend structure has been switched. So yeah, plan for this pair is to take shorts. That is it. That is it for me for now. I can't really think of anything else. So I just hope everyone has a blessed, profitable trading week ahead, just as we have done for the past couple of weeks. I feel like I'm getting back into the rhythm, back into the swing of it, making smart choices apart from what just happened this previous trading week. But that was a learning lesson as well. So which I have learned now, and I'm glad that even though I did see opportunities towards the end of the week, I actually stuck to my rules and did not over trade my account even more and over risk my capital even more. So yeah, just got to learn, keep moving, keep growing, keep progressing, and profits coming soon, big profits coming soon. So yeah, that's it for me for now. Have a wonderful week ahead, guys. Peace.